Next up, Tom is going to install an anchor for his M2 rig. Once he has located his hole, he measures 12 inches out and installs an anchor. Using a hammer drill and a 5/8 inch bit, Tom drills his hole for his anchor. Then places the anchor in the hole and sets the anchor with an anchor setting tool and a hammer. Once the anchor has been set, Tom threads in some threaded rod. Now Tom is ready to hang his M2 on the wall. For ease of lifting, he has removed the motor and carriage head. Once the rig is onto the threaded rod, Tom screws on a nut to hold down the drill stand in place. Now Tom can roll the motor and carriage head onto the mast. Tom uses penetrating oil on his mast. This makes for easier travel up and down. Now Tom will place the M2 unit into position to drill his hole. After locating the exact spot for his hole, Tom tightens down his anchor bolt. Tom now adjusts the leveling screws against the anchor bolt. This is done to achieve strength and for leveling the M2 unit. Tom is now ready to install the 10-inch core bit. After selecting a low speed, Tom now connects his water supply. After ensuring his core bit is level, Tom hooks up his electric and adjusts his water. Tom now turns on the drill motor and eases the core bit onto the wall. Again, do not force the core bit into the drilling surface. Light pressure is key here. The slurry should be similar to chocolate milk. Tom adjusts his water flow down a little as needed. After achieving a drilling speed of 1 inch per minute, Tom goes through his wall. Now, because his core is still in the bit, Tom makes a decision to remove the bit from the rig so the motor will not be so heavy when he removes it from the mast. You may find it necessary to do this. Tom is going to leave the core bit in the hole for ease of core removal. Tom then unplugs the unit and rolls off the motor and carriage head. After unscrewing his anchor bolt, Tom will remove the drill stand from the wall and remove his threaded rod. Tom now removes the core bit and core from the wall. Closer inspection of the core will show the rebar and the thickness of the wall that Tom just went through. His hole is now completed.